Hi, Kirsten. Just wanted to point out that I'm impersonating you, so this is technically your account. So some things that I wanted to show you because you were having trouble accessing the quiz. So in terms of looking at it on here, it's not necessarily showing up here. So for that quiz number 3, you just go right here. So click on quizzes, and you can select which one you want. This one was the first one, and it's the password is quiz1. This is the second one. It was quiz2, but the one you were asking for because you completed the other two was this one right here. So I click on this, and when I go through, all you have to do is enter quiz3. That's the password, and it should be open. So I don't necessarily want to start this because this would indicate that you are starting it. So let me know if that doesn't work, but that should be all that you need to do in order to open that quiz.